Hello guys, so I'm going to be talking about a title that you need to make sure you are talking about if you are into YouTube growth, or even if you are into like a vloggy channel and you don't mind, touching other niche. This particular topic is something that brings views to one's channel. Mind you, there are some people that it will bring hundreds and thousands of views. There are some people that it would not be up to 100,000. There's some people that it's not even be up to 500 views, and there's some people that it's not even be up to 10k views. But the point is, it will be different from the kind of views you get on your channel. Also, the kind of content that keeps building up, it keeps getting views. It doesn't just like get views and stop. It keeps growing and gathering, keeps growing, and before you know it, you've gotten to 100,000 views. It happened to me. Before you know it, you've gotten to more than 1k views that you are not even getting on your channel on a norms. Before you know it, it is entering 30,000 for some people. It is entering 300,000 for some people. And it is a very simple topic. What's the topic? How much I made on YouTube since I started my YouTube journey. How much YouTube pays me for 1,000 views. How much YouTube pays me for 5,000 views. How much YouTube pays me for so and so views. I'm not even joking. The most viewed video on this my channel currently has more than 4,000 views, and ask me what the video is about. How much YouTube paid me for 30,000 views, which I was using my other channel as a reference point, and I was like, I'm going to milk this. You know why? This is not the first time it is happening for me, but this is the first time for this channel. The first time it has happened was on my vlog channel, when I just decided to do it because I was seeing it all over my timeline and I didn't have anything to do then. Like, I didn't have any vlog to upload or any video to upload, and I was like, oh, people are talking about this. Okay, let me also talk about how much I've made since I entered this YouTube space, just for fun. But at the back of my mind, I was like, I hope it does go viral, because all of these people's videos are going viral. As at now, it has 100k plus views, more than 2.5 subscribers, more than 4,000 watch hours. Just a singular video. And it not just because it started with 1k, 2k, 3k. At like a week into, I was like 10k. I was like, ooh. I was so happy. I was all over my Instagram. First time in my life. I was all over my community posts. First time in my life. This is the most viral video I've ever had. 10,000 views. Everyone was congratulating me left and I was like, thank you. I close my eyes. I wake up 20. I close my 30, 50, 60, 100 plus. Till now, it's still getting views, and I've uploaded it since last year. That's almost a year, if not a year. No, almost a year. To be July, that to be a year. Almost a year, and it's still getting views, and it's made me the most money. So the bottom line, what are you waiting for? Pick up your camera and what? Create that video. You might not necessarily continue talking about how much it paid me or whatever, but it will spike up your channel and give you that joy, that feel that you want. It will give it to you. Don't worry. That's how most of your favorite grow their channel to where it is right now, and that is how I'm going to grow this channel. So I'm begging, before I start bamboozling you guys with how much I made, which I've started, but I'm just apology in advance. You're going to be seeing more of how much YouTube. Please, I'm trying to grow my channel, and I also notice that people enjoy watching videos like that. Don't hold me, hold the messenger, hold the message, and the people making the messenger talk. People enjoy content like this. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Open your camera and film how much YouTube have paid you. Even if it is 0.0 cents, film it. confirm it. And sorry if you've not made any money. I don't know what to say. I honestly don't know what to say, because me, I've not made any money on this channel, but I have on another channel, so it is easy for me to do that. So I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. At this point, I'm sorry, but if you're monetized, talk about it. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.